In this video, you are going to see how to use zoom effect in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. I am in the slide number 3. Now I want to add a zoom effect. Let us go to Insert and choose this option. Click on this drop down Zoom and let us choose this option, Slide Zoom. Now choose the slide which one you want to zoom. Let me choose this one, slide number 6, and click on Insert. Here is the slide number 6 actually. Let me put it like this. Click on over here, go to zoom, and you can choose the zoom border. You can go to zoom effect and you can choose a effect from here. Now let us see the slideshow. Here is the slide number 3. Let me click on this one, then the zoom effect will be added successfully. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.